I? I'm bad.
There you go, Danielle. Uh-oh, we got the film.
Yeah, I went around the whole park with this thing.
What's it do?
Takes a video of the entire surrounding floors, sky.
What's it for Google?
It's for VR headsets, and then you can actually put it on and look around your own video.
Oh.
In life size,
Oh, cool.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, man. So you could have got those at Walmart.
They didn't have them in this color. They didn't even have them with the thing. No.
But if you get those, then you have to get the pink shirt and the pink thong and the pink toe socks.
I am not wearing a thong.
Hey, honey, they got toe socks.
Son of a monkey.
Toe socks.
Those aren't. They're gloves.
No, they are toe socks. These are toe socks.
Oh.
Toe socks.
You just mad because of your...
Yeah, they won't. They lost my shoes and won't give them back. Yes, I'm talking to you, Brian. Lost my shoes, won't give them back. I love them shoes. There's my mouthwash right there.
Oh my God.
Hydrogen peroxide. Whitens your teeth, freshens your breath.
Now these supplies are $1, so it really doesn't affect.
See, I would make the mistake of buying this and then trying to eat it because it looks like one of those candies. I could tell you what, this looks like a good idea. Yeah, I will have me a coffee.
I didn't bring my wallet.
Of course you didn't, honey.
Not intentional.
She didn't bring her wallet, guys. But guess who did? This guy.
Like, I want a freeze pop.
Get a freeze pop.
I don't have money, but you do. Do you want to share one? They're big.
That's what you always say, and I ain't sharing it, dang it. So bad.
How much are they first?
They're cost money, the currency, US currency,
No.
the greenbacks.
But we have to get Brian and Steven one, though.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I'm not getting one then.
Honey, it's gonna be halfway melted by the time we get back to the campsite.
It's not
They're
nice
probably-
enough to put them on.
I'll get them one, whatever. I'm not trying to be mean, I'm just trying to save some money. I'm getting a coffee. I'm getting a cup of Joe. Cup of 8 o'clock Joe. Joe. Do
I'm
the
raving.
Do it.
I'm raving. Ow. This is why we don't rave with big sticks. Kids don't do it at home. Speaking of which, have you checked your bank account lately?
Yeah.
Is it okay or is it horrible?
Yeah. You don't like my bank account.
I wouldn't like it.
It's at 2 something by the time we get out of here.
Okay.
Hey, kiddo. Were you next to our campsite?
I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. You are.
You guys leaving today?
Yeah.
Oh. You like the park? Yeah.
I'm only gonna be 30 minutes away from my grandma's.
Oh, you live right around here.
No, I don't live in here. I live all the way in
Virginia?
I live
Oh yeah, I
in
seen your license plates, Virginia.
Yeah, Alexandria. We live in
Knoebels and the campgrounds are awesome, aren't they?
They are nice. I think he helped your dad with the fire. What was it, yesterday?
No, I went across. It wasn't these guys. I went
Okay.
across the road. They were having trouble with their camp and stove, so I lit it for them. You ever watch YouTube? Want to say hi to YouTube? I'm going to put all this on YouTube.
Yes, you want them open? Okay.
If you want yours open, you better get that little lady there. Help you open it.
I will.
Okay.
These pups.
Yep. 284.
Here's this and my ID if you want it.
ID for what?
Okay.
Just-
fine.
Oh,
I never sign them because I'm from New York.
yeah, that is true.
Just kidding, New Yorkers. We're not all that
Do you mind
dumb.
opening one?
So I should
Yep, I'll get it.
I should sign it, huh? Actually, if I don't sign it, it makes everybody require ID, so I should leave it unsigned.
You want to find that then?
Be smarter not to sign it, huh?
Before or after today's date? Before. Okay.
You know what? Just count all three because I gotta bring these to.
Okay, I just scribbled like a 2-year-old. But that's my
What?
signature. So I scribbled like a 2-year-old.
That would be June 18th to the 21st.
Thank you.
There you go.
Have a good day, sir.
June 21.
And we're loving the place.
That's good.
Have a good day. And kind of site for camper? Camper site, full home?
We gotta get down to our camp.
Goodbye, neighbors.
Bye. Have a good night.
Told your the other guy's daughter, I think. She was in the store with us. Or son, sorry. Say hi to YouTube and stuff. I'm gonna throw this all on YouTube. Have a good one, man. Oh, mistaken the little. Sorry, little guy. It's just your hair is awesome. Are you stuffing tube things in your mouth again? Ow.
Jealous?
Karma.
Uh huh.
I was like talking about tube stuff in her mouth, and then the coffee was like, I'm going to scald you. Yep.
He's just jelly.
I'm jelly? No, I'm not jelly.
There you are.
Maybe in a couple weeks I'll be jelly. So what are we leaving, like early afternoon tomorrow or late
We're gonna
afternoon?
pack up and then we're gonna go back to the park.
Well, when we pack up, please make sure that all our stuff is in with just one area so we can just take it out of the car.
Oh, all right.
Please and thank you, wife.
You're welcome, my husband.
Well, I ain't gonna have no battery power for the park, but this was worth it. This I will cherish. Ooh, they got cabins. Shall we go through Cabin City?
No, we need to get to this house back.
But the Cabin City. Oh, look at that. Little girl gets to drive the go-kart.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. You know, we could have rented one of those.
For how much?
I don't know. $4.
Did we take a right turn?
We go right past. This is our bathroom.
Oh, that is our bathroom?
Yeah. It's just when you drive. We never walked from up there to down to anything. So. Yeah, that's the pathway to Log Cabin City.
They have RVs and rat too.
And that truck right there has suspenders on. Now hold his pants up.
Don't pay no attention to him.
Hold
It's sexy.
his bumper on.
You're a sexy Dodge Durango.
Everybody's curious what this little round thing in my hand is.
And it's not his ball sack.
And
That's
it's
nice.
not a spaceship. Futuristic, weird looking thing. We got 45 minutes of footage.
Oh shit. Who's gonna sit through this whole thing?
Whoever wants to go out in nature that's sitting inside of a house.
True. I'm gonna have to listen to our stupid ass commentary.
Hey, look at those muscles.
He's so
Yeah, that's not too bad, right? Yeah. Right. Yeah. But my muscles only show if I make them. It's like I can't walk around and look muscular. I have to actually flex. It's not fair. I got that skinny frame thing going on.
There's a white boy.